The most powerful application of AI doesn't just lie in a single model, but how we orchestrate AI into a workflow. So I thought I'd take the time today to make a little video to explain about the terminology of orchestration, which quite simply means routing, sequencing, and integration. But before I explain them, I'm just going to quickly introduce what this workflow is doing. So this workflow is taking information from people's LinkedIn via an API called Duck Soup, and it's scraping that into a database which I've built on Airtable. And actually this is conditional logic, which is going to determine if the email exists or doesn't exist. It will simply take a different route. The other part of orchestration is integration, which simply means how do we put different tools together. So we're integrating Airtable with information that's coming from this model here on Make, okay? But the information is coming via the API of Duck Soup. So we're integrating different APIs together in Make, okay? So Make is the orchestration layer. It's the API layer or the middleware of this scenario. So once we put that information into Airtable, actually we're checking it with this module here to see if that information already exists. If it doesn't, we're going to actually update the record. Now, I also want to show you that we have this LinkedIn scraping agent, and we're actually integrating Airtable with ChatGPT via Make in this situation. And what's also cool about Make is that because we're accessing this ChatGPT via the business API, we actually have access to a lot more models. So some models, not just ChatGPT 5, but O3, which is a great processor of information, and then 4o, which is a multi-purpose model like ChatGPT 5. But it gives us the flexibility to be able to select the right tool for the job. So 4.1 is a great writer, so we're asking it to analyze this person's information and actually come up with a strategic angle to sell them the product of my client here. And we're going to take all this information, scrape the bio, scrape the posts, and then feed that into the model to find an angle to be able to write a personalized message.